Aquí tenemos al prototipo de mujer española intentando ligar con el prototipo de extranjero machote.
Hello, hi darling, how are you? Would you like to go with me to have a cup of coffee or maybe like this?
What's your name? Eh?
Yes, yes. Hello, how are you?
My name is Delia.
A beer,
I don't
maybe?
think so. I'm really busy today, darling.
Sorry, you are really busy.
I am really busy.
I would like
I
really
have
to
to
go
work,
with
so
me,
I can't.
please.
Ay, my baby, I love you. I love you. Very, very.
¿Ya qué tenía que decir yo?
Or maybe go for a walk.
Maybe with you, darling, because you're
Or
quite
maybe go
sexy.
to my house.
To your house?
Yes,
That's ready.
please,
Let's
you
go.
must-
I like it.
¿Vamos a tener muchos hijos?
Forever my life.
Que vamos a tener mucho... Yo, que todo
Para
el inglés no se
siempre,
me da, no
para
se me da
siempre
bien
mi
a mí.
vida.